few issues that are going right along the edge of the field over there. And so decided we're just gonna fill the wagon. He's gonna go down to the north end, he's gonna fill me up. And he's just gonna fill me up down here. Well, he's not gonna fill it, but put it in my wagon, what he has. So anyway, I'm going to boogie on down there and just wait for him to show up.
How wet were the beans? 13.9.
Mine was 14 even.
Okay. Better dump some in there. I'm not sure I can make it down there and get that headlamp.
So I made it back to the field from up at the elevator. And out here they've got, well, I think this headland was off when I left for town. He was just heading up that side over there. He went down to the other side, got that headland off. I'm not sure if you can see the combine or not. It's right in that area somewhere. He's just breaking through, which broke through right there, and then he'll work back and forth in between that, and then he'll come over here and break through somewhere and start working in between all that until we get all the way over to that end of the field. Jody is over in the house at the Fox Shop home, and she's got a sandwich ready for me. When we stopped earlier, because the beans were just too wet at the moment, I went home. I was going to make a sandwich, and the bread that I had been using was starting to get little, hadn't been used in a few days, almost a week, and getting a little bit of mold on a few pieces. So threw that out. We have more bread in the freezer, pulled that out. She's got a sandwich ready for me, but I don't know when I'm going to stop and get it. Actually, I have enough time. I can swing by there and get it, but not extremely hungry at the moment, and who knows, maybe I'll need to make a pit stop later anyway. So right now, just waiting for my dad to get his wagon filled up, and then get mine filled up and back up to the elevator, and that's pretty much what I am doing all day. So I'll catch up with you later. Well, we're getting this field done. It's 5:15 right now. A lot of these darn weeds in this field. Well, a big patch right in through here. Been a slow go. Combine needs fuel, but not a whole lot left. There's one round left right here, and then a little bit left over. I don't know if we're gonna get it done though. It's already starting to cool off outside. Imagine they're gonna get tough here. Well, the sun goes down in I'm confused. Sun goes down less than 2 hours, hour and a half or something like that, and then it's gonna get tough. It'll be close if we get this done. Well, we've just about got this field wrapped up. Got fuel in the combine. It's got one pass left here, which I'm gonna get my first dump in my wagon out of that, and then if I counted right, I think there's about 3 rounds left, right over there. I think might be a little bit more than that. I'm not sure. Kind of hard to count from where I was sitting, but and if that's the case, most of that will go on. Well, I'll get some of that on this wagon, then the rest of it I think may go on one more wagon. We'll probably be done. It's going on 6:30 now. Temperature's going down, humidity is going up. It's getting rather cool out. There's not much wind, and I just don't see us going and opening up another field just to get a little something on the wagons. Just don't see it happening. Stopped by home just a little while ago, and I was told we're having walking tacos tonight, which that's fine with me. So anyway, I'll let you know when we finish up this field and what we're doing after that, or whatever. I'll see you here in just a little bit. I got uptown here to unload, and of course they have to send us to this old elevator. This thing is really old. Instead of out north where you can unload really fast. And I gotta wait on 2 semis, and this is my last load. And to be honest with you, I'd like to get home. But it's gonna take a little while because once the pit gets full in there, it just kind of dribbles out. It just takes forever. Anyway, trying not to sound too grouchy, but I'd like to go home. This is my last load. I want to quit for the day. Anyway, we'll be back at it tomorrow, and if you like this video, please give it a big old thumbs up. Comments go down below, hit that little subscribe button and that notification bell. That way you always know when I upload a video. And we'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.